Hi Vijay. Nowadays we get a lot of clients asking us for guaranteed returns, ideas that give them 35-40% a year. I wanted to know, how do we work with these? Can we offer such products?
Well, Devesh, we should be very obvious in things. Whatever gives you FOMO, all that glitter has never been gold, and it never will be. Anything that offers you guaranteed returns will probably give you returns for 1 month, 2 months, but over the longer period of time, only disciplined trading is what can make you a lifetime of returns.
So Vijay, what would you mean by disciplined trading?
Well, there are many steps a person can take for disciplined trading. A few of them definitely are that you should always put stop losses. You should always use as low leverage as you can, because leverage is something which kills more often than not. We should also always be careful about whom we are actually working or investing with. As long as you're working with a very well reputed, regulated company is something very important. At the same time, discipline also means that we don't have to trade every day or overtrade. It should always be slow and steady. It cannot be fast and furious.
Would that also mean that having fixed goals or knowing what you want help in achieving disciplined trading versus, as you said, overtrading and trying to win every trade?
Absolutely. The longer the duration, the better the returns are, because there's always a compounding effect that we know of. At the same time, we also know that the idea of investing is not just to make money. It's about setting a goal. I want to go for a holiday, I want my child's education, I want to plan for a retirement. But the idea should be always long term. Short term investment can always give you higher returns, but also for a very short time.
Okay. So if I'm a disciplined trader, if I know what my take profit stop loss for every trade or every investment should be, that should help me do well, right?
Definitely. At the same time, you have to work on your research, because you have to always be updated with the market. There were companies at the time, Nokia was one of the biggest companies, but it went down. So you have to always be updated with the market. You have to continuously do your research, or if you can't do it, you need a professional guidance for that.
Should we also suggest clients to be emotional? Because during difficult market times like during COVID, everyone thought markets would end, people remove their money, either they booked losses or they exited. Some of them actually went ahead and shorted the markets. So do you think emotion plays an important role in this?
I think psychological finance is a very big field. I think 80% of the market is emotion. And the earlier and the more better you can get emotions out of your investments is definitely a better thing. Do not be emotional about your investments. Be very pragmatic about them. That's always the best key of investing.
Got it. So having a clear goal, following these rules, this should help one become a disciplined trader, and disciplined trading over the long run should make money and help achieve goals, right?
Definitely. We would advise everyone to do the same. This is Century's motto, and that will always be. So please stay safe and make sure that you invest in the right places and have a longer term horizon.